I have an exciting new way for you to develop your email list. Hello there, how are you today? I have a way to help you build your list. This is an awesome way, a way that not many people use. What way is that? It's using a quiz. Using a quiz is an awesome way to build your list, and yes, as I said, not many people use it. You can create a quiz on all sorts of things, whether that be fitness, blogging, health, travel, whatever subject people may be interested in. So you create a quiz, people will be interested in what the result is, and from there they can be on your email list. So take a look below for further details.